Do you have trouble placing embroidery? Do you know what the right place is, the correct place, the traditional place, and what'll look good? Stay tuned. I have all the answers. And here's the answer. Precision embroidery placement. It's a perfect placement kit. You know, I like to test out and experiment stuff for you guys, and this is one of them because I know people have trouble with placement. And this is from Designs in Machine Embroidery, and here's Eileen Roche right here. So I've checked this out and it's absolutely fantastic. There'll be a link in the description, but let's have a look at it. You guys will be really surprised. So I'll put the box aside, and what you have are all these templates, and it's actually really cool. You'll be surprised. Okay, on this CD is the PDF instructions. That's all that's on it, but it's going to tell you how to do each and every one. So then we get some Target stickers right here, and we'll go through each of the templates. So Target stickers, which I think are really cool. They have dime on them and show you. Now, if you have a Brother machine, or I'm not sure about Baby Lock, I only know about Brother, and you know, it reads the snowman, you can still use these because you can use your needle cam and laser for precision placement. You can see exactly where it's going to go. So you can use these too, and it's super handy. So let's look at what we have. Oh yeah, we have this ruler, which is actually really neat because it's going to fit inside your hoop. And it's very helpful, very helpful. All right, let's look at the first one. This is, oh yeah, Monogram. Bath towel with border. And it's going to tell you exactly where to place it. So this is the top of the border, and then bottom of your monogram, and that's where you put your sticker. It's cut out so you can do it. So that'll help a lot for towels. Then let's look at this one. It is, oh, for burp cloths. I think that's really cool. So this is the edge of the burp cloth. So you're going to line it up with it. And then bottom of design. And this is going to be where you put it. Isn't that cool? So perfect placement every time for burp cloths. That'll save you a ton of time. This is the one we are going to use. Napkin on point. And look, right there. That's where you put it. So a monogram or design, whatever you're doing it on. Napkin edge, so we'll line it up. I'm going to put this one aside because that's the one we're going to use today. Hand towel with border. And it shows you again, top of the border. And monogram, so top of the design, bottom of the monogram, and this is where your sticker goes. If you noticed, you will be able to line your sticker up perfectly like this. Look at this. Now that's not hard to do, see? So it's sure going to make it easier. What's the next? Oh, burp cloth, I already did that one. It fell. Napkin right corner. This is one that I get wrong a lot. So it's, you know, it's hard to place it perfectly. But look at this. So bottom of monogram, tops in it. It's already measured out for you, 1/2 inch. And that's how you place it perfectly. So woohoo. That's awesome. This is going to be a big time saver. Top sheet. Suggested monogram. Oh, they're even giving you a suggested monogram size, 3.5. I really like that. Above band placement, it says. Top of band. So, you know, cool. That's going to save you time. All these things I use all the time. Boxer. Top stitching. Oh, so if you want to monogram some boxers, that's probably actually a really cool gift. This is how you do it. Side seam, and you line it up. Super easy. Loving it. This one is pillowcase and top sheet. So, wow, this is just gonna show you exactly where to do it. Placement for monogram on the band. So, center of band, center of monogram. Easy. Isn't this fantastic? This is for a shirt cuff. If any of you guys have tried to do anything on a shirt cuff, it's pretty darn hard to do. This is going to make it so much easier. It shows you, okay, there's the buttonhole. There it is, the fold. Yeah, it's not going to take you long to do it. I love it. So this one is for a pillowcase. Yeah, what is the proper placement for a pillowcase? This takes all the guessing out of all of it. It tells you exactly how to do it. Top of band. What does it say? Suggested monogram size 2.5. I really like that included. So, and it says right on the bottom, pillowcase. Okay, this one is a little bit bigger. Hand towel without border. So, wow. Suggested monogram size 2-inch. Yeah, I really like that. Bottom of the towel, and you just line this up and then put your sticker in. Just put your sticker in. It's hard to see, I guess. Put your sticker in. Okay, this is going to help so many people. This is left chest placement. So line it up here, and ladies and men's, and it gives you exact spot to where to put it. No measurements, no anything, just line it up, go. I love that one. There's so many in here. I'm so impressed. So this is for a receiving blanket, which is really cool. Look at that. Exact placement. Again, you line it up here and go. So super handy. Bath towel without border. So a bigger towel. Look at that. Bottom of the towel. Again, line it up. There we go. And this one is center chest. A lot of people have a hard time with this, and I see it done wrong a lot. And I think this is going to make it easy. So fold your shirt in half, line it up, and make sure you have the center line there. And look, place upper edge of the template here. So top of the design right here. And it couldn't be easier. It could not be easier. And you will get perfect placement, and you'll know that it's right, which I'm really happy for. So, okay, let's work on I have a handkerchief here. So all you have to do, look, you can see through it, line it up like this. Now, this one has a stitched edge, so I'm going to skip that. And that's how easy it is. Right there, I just lined it up. I probably, honestly, would have done it wrong. So I'm pretty thankful for this, because now I can get it right. So it fits in perfectly. You just lean it on there, and we're going to match it up like this. It's not hard at all to do. Look at that. That's perfect. What did that take? Like 5 seconds to do? Better than measuring, trying to figure it out, proper placement. Now we have it perfect, and you just hoop it with some stabilizer, and that is ready to take to the machine. So if I was doing, say, this, for example, it would go, the middle of it's there, and it is perfect placement. So I hope you guys check this out. I have tested it. I've played around with it. You can see perfect placement on everything on this kit. And it shows you on the back everything that you need. And it's amazing. So, okay, 11 linen templates. And I think that's something that everybody would need. Wearable template, target stickers, text stickers, the mini ruler, which is honestly really handy. I have mine from Dime from 10 years ago that I use all the time. So print out your instructions, and then this is the examples of everything. So it's the perfect tool for every skill level, and it's reasonably priced, and it's going to help you guys out a lot. I'm really happy with this, and I really like it, and I think it's easy to do and convenient, and you will get perfect placement every time. Not to mention storage. These guys are thick enough, but it doesn't take up much storage. They're just this similar as your templates for your hoops. So I'm thinking this is fantastic, and I'm thinking at any level you can use this. I would use almost all of those. I probably wouldn't do a shirt cuff, but it takes all of the guesswork out of it, because if you get it wrong and it looks terrible, that kind of wastes your time and resources. So use one of these. You saw how quickly I did it, and perfect placement. So use the link down below, and I think you guys should try this. If you're doing any embroidery on things like this, save yourself a ton of time. There'll be a link in the description, and make your placement perfect. So thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.